Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new Mythical epic Intitalk and Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the new Mythical epic has been added into the game and you can only get it with hacks right now, so we're going to go ahead and check it out. Alright, so as you can see, it is already in the Mythical epics tab right here, so this is what it looks like. You are able to get it in-game, but here is what it looks like. So if we go here is what it looks like in here. These are not its base stats, by the way. As you can see, I have it on a merge of 3, so these stats are like 180, 195 lower maybe. So its attacks are Supernova with a power of 5, and they changed its aim to be good now. It does Beak, which has an aim of good and a power bonus of 3.5. Astral Flare, which power of 2, and Peck, which has a power of 1.5 and an okay aim. So you might have seen its attack animation, but here it is again if you didn't see it. It looks pretty good. You can see that it's just like screaming out on this side, and then down here they have another one screaming. So I don't know if you can actually put peg gear on this or not. That might just be a glitch, because I don't think that you're supposed to have peg gear on it. No other Mythical epic can wear peg gear, so I assume that's just a glitch because I hacked to get it. You're also not supposed to be able to merge Mythical epics, so if you do hack to get them, you can though. So I cannot use this in game because you have to, or if you hack to get it, you can't use it. But yeah, none of the other pets that have been leaked, like the Regalaxies, the Arboreal, the Squally, or Bitbot, none of those ones have been added into the game yet, so that is all I'm going to be talking about today. Also, I guess I could talk about this. There is this hat right here. It's Bunny 3. I don't know why it's Bunny 3. But yeah, this hat is in the game. Yeah, it's not good and you can only get it with hacks. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.